Love it long time, no quick. A girl like my thing, man, make it bang.
Thought I end up with Sean, but it wasn't a match. Wrote some songs about Ricky, now I listen it loud. Even almost got married, and for Pete I'm so thankful. Wish I could say thank you to Malcolm, cause he was an angel. One taught me love, one taught me patience, and one taught me pain. Now I'm so amazing, I'm loved and I'm lost, but that's the way I see. Now look at what I'm good, and look what you taught me. And for that I say thank you, goodness, thank you, goodness, thank you. I'm so fucking grateful for my ex. Thank you, goodness, thank you, goodness, thank you. Spend more time with my friends, I ain't worried about nothing. But they say I move on too fast, but this one gon' last. And her name is Whitney, and so good with that. She taught me love, she taught me patience, how she handles pain. Yeah, that's so amazing. I've loved and I've lost, yeah, yeah. That's not what I see, but look what I found. Ain't no need for searching, and for that I say thank you, next, thank you, next, thank you. I'm so fucking grateful for my ex. Pain. Now I'm so amazing, I'm loved and I'm lost, but that's the way I see. Now look at what I'm good, and look what you taught me. And for that I say thank you, goodness, thank you, goodness, thank you. I'm so fucking grateful for my ex. Thank you, goodness, thank you, goodness, thank you. Spend more time with my friends, I ain't worried about nothing. Plus I met someone else, better discussions. They say I move on too fast, but this one gon' last. And her name is Whitney, and so good with that. She taught me love, she taught me patience, how she handles pain. Yeah, that's so amazing. I've loved and I've lost, yeah, yeah. That's not what I see, but look what I found. Ain't no need for searching, and for that I say thank you, next, thank you, next, thank you. I'm so fucking grateful for my ex. Thank you, next, thank you, next, thank you. I'm so fucking grateful. And for that I say thank you, goodness, thank you, goodness, thank you. I'm so fucking grateful for my ex. Thank you, goodness, thank you, goodness, thank you. Spend more time with my friends, I ain't worried about nothing. Plus I met someone else, better discussions. They say I move on too fast, but this one gon' last. And her name is Whitney, and so good with that. She taught me love, she taught me patience, how she handles pain. Yeah, that's so amazing. I've loved and I've lost, yeah, yeah. That's not what I see, but look what I found. Ain't no need for searching, and for that I say thank you, next, thank you, next. angel. One taught me love, one taught me patience, and one taught me pain. Now I'm so amazing. I'm loved and I'm lost, but that's the way I see. Now look at what I'm good, and look what you taught me. And for that I say thank you, thank you, thank you. I'm so fucking grateful for my ex. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Spend more time with my friends, I ain't worried about nothing. Plus I met someone else, better discussions. They say I'm on too fast, but this one gon' last. And her name is Whitney, and so go with that. She taught me love, she taught me patience, how she handles pain. Yeah, that's so amazing. I'm loved and I'm lost, yeah, yeah. That's not what I see, but look what I found. Ain't no need for searching, and for that I say thank you, next. Thank you, next. Thank you. I'm so fucking grateful for my ex. Thank you, next. Thank you, next. Thank you. I'm so fucking grateful. Pain. Now I'm so amazing. I'm loved and I'm lost, but that's the way I see. Now look at what I'm good, and look what you taught me. And for that I say thank you, thank you, thank you. I'm so fucking grateful for my ex. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Spend more time with my friends, I ain't worried about nothing. Plus I met someone else, better discussions. They say I'm on too fast, but this one gon' last. And her name is Whitney, and so go with that. She taught me love, she taught me patience, how she handles pain. Yeah, that's so amazing. I'm loved and I'm lost, yeah, yeah. That's not what I see, but look what I found. Ain't no need for searching, and for that I say thank you, next. Thank you, next. Thank you. I'm so fucking grateful for my ex. Thank you, next. Thank you, next. Thank you. I'm so fucking grateful. Pain. Now I'm so amazing. I'm loved and I'm lost, but that's the way I see. Now look at what I'm good, and look what you taught me. And for that I say thank you, thank you, thank you. I'm so fucking grateful for my ex. Thank you, next. Thank you, next. Thank you. Spend more time with my friends, I ain't worried about nothing. Plus I met someone else, better discussions. They say I'm on too fast, but this one gon' last. And her name is Whitney, and so go with that. She taught me love, she taught me patience, how she handles pain. Yeah, that's so amazing. I'm loved and I'm lost, yeah, yeah. That's not what I see, but look what I found. Ain't no need for searching, and for that I say thank you, next. Thank you, next. Thank you. I'm so fucking grateful for my ex. Thank you, next. Thank you, next. Thank you. I'm so fucking that I'm so amazing. I'm loved and I'm lost, but that's the way I see. And look at what I'm good, and look what you taught me. And for that I say thank you, goodness. Thank you, goodness. Thank you. I'm so fucking grateful for my ex. Thank you, goodness. Thank you, goodness. Thank you. Spend more time with my friends. I ain't worried about nothing. Plus I met someone else. Better discussions. They say I'm on too fast, but this one gon' last. And her name is Whitney, and so good with that. She taught me love. She taught me patience.